Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taylor. What is hip hop happening in your lives today? Today I have another one of my BoxyCharm unboxing videos, and this is going to be for just the original base box BoxyCharm for the month of May. And a quick little update about last month's BoxyCharm for the month of April. I know that I had given not a very favorable review because I didn't really enjoy the box very much. I did reach out to the company about my Iconic London illuminating drops, and they didn't even really respond to my email. They just immediately sent me a shipping notification that they were shipping me a new one. So I did really enjoy that. I think that that was great customer service on their end. So I did receive the other Iconic London product, and I tried to use it, and it's too dark for me, so I ended up just passing it on to my mom. So yeah, I just wanted to update you on that and let you know that I did receive it. It's just not something that I'm going to be actively using because it is too dark for me. It looked straight like mud on my face a little bit. So the theme for this month's box is going to be Mother Nature. This is what the little card looks like. And then again, you get all of your information on the products. I'm not going to look at that just yet because we're just going to dive right into the box. First thing that I have is going to be from the brand Traceek. It is a conceal, cover, and correct crayon. So this is what the product looks like. Open that up. It is in the shade Porcelain, so they did listen to like the fact that I do have really light skin. Let's see if this will actually be a concealer that'll work for me though. That's a little dark. That's a little dark. I will probably be passing this on to my mom as well, or at least someone in my life. But I will say that I like the fact that this is magnetic. So that's very nice if you want to throw that in your purse. And then it said that it had like a blending sponge. Yep, it has a blending sponge on this side, so that's pretty cool. So it's like a nice little travel friendly concealer. It's just not a shade that matches me, which is okay. Some brands just don't cater light enough to fit my skin tone, which is a-okay. I understand. Alright, so next thing that I have in the box is the Appeal liquid lipstick, or Ultra Cream liquid lipstick in the shade Fancy. This is what it looks like. I don't wear liquid lipsticks, so this is going to go straight into my giveaway little bag that I have. This is definitely a beautiful color. It's neutral. It's one that a lot of people would like. I just don't wear lip products in general, especially liquid lipsticks. So that's super nice that we got that in the box. Not disappointed in this. I've never heard of this brand either. But yeah. Next thing I am pulling out is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, which we actually did get an Elemis product last month too, and I said that I have tried a couple products from the brand and I do like it. These are actually very exciting to me because I love like resurfacing pads for my face. I love exfoliating. Well, I do have dry skin, so it does help with the dry patches that I sometimes get. Yeah, and these are just labeled as skin smoothing pads. So I'm sure that there's probably like AHAs or something like that in here. I could look at the little thing at the bottom, but that is the next thing we've got in our box. Alright, fourth thing we have in the box is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. This is just a micellar makeup remover, which I can never have too many of. I don't like to necessarily wash my face in the morning. I just use like a cleansing water just to kind of refresh. So that's definitely exciting. And it's a full size, which is wonderful. So yeah, definitely happier with this month's box than I was with last month, by far. Let me just tell you that. Alright, and then final thing we have in the box is we have an eyeshadow palette. I know that I asked for one of these last month. I really wanted one. This is from the brand Studio Makeup. It's Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. Alright, so she looks like this. She's kind of giving me like Urban Decay Naked Reloaded, that like the one that they redid. That kind of reminds me of this palette. Let me go ahead and swatch these shades for you. Ooh, they're very soft and buttery. They're a little powdery, but that's nothing that I have an issue with by any means. Dang, I'm actually very impressed with this. the pigmentation on these. Again, powdery. You might have some fallout with these. This is like a nice, like, little neutral transition shade. That's why it's kind of not showing up on my skin. But it does have a decent amount of pigment. So that's a gorgeous neutral palette. The addition of this coral shade is actually very pretty, and I think that it'll add a nice pop to any neutral shades. But I think for like the everyday makeup wearer, this is going to be gorgeous. I would wear this as well. This would even be a pretty highlight, I think, this first shade. This is definitely more basic packaging, which is not a bad thing. That is the last thing that we have in the box. Let me go ahead and total everything up. The Tracique, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, by the way. Tracique Cover and Conceal Crayon is $24. The Appeal Cosmetics liquid lipstick is $21. The Elemis resurfacing facial pads are $59, so that's going to be more of the high ticket priced item in there. For the Tarte Micellar makeup remover, we have that at $18 for retail. And then the Studio Magic palette retails for $35. Okay, so total for this month's box is going to be $157. So for a box that you are paying about $25 for, that's a great value. I am most excited about the Elemis facial resurfacing pads, and this is the biggest high ticket item in the box, which is very exciting. So that definitely makes the whole box worth it, in my opinion. And I definitely have more likes than dislikes this month, which is great. I have 3 of the products that I'm going to be actually using, which is the micellar cleanser, the facial pads, and the palette. The liquid lipstick, again, I don't mind getting liquid lipsticks because a lot of my friends and family do use those, so it's kind of like a nice little gift that I get to give them. And then the Tracique, I think that would have been I think that's a cool product, and I think that I like the innovation, the packaging of this product as well. It's just that it's too dark, so I will be passing this on, but I'm not disappointed that I got this. So yeah, overall I did like this box. I'm excited to get next month's box as well. I'm definitely sticking with the base box for next month. If for some reason next month's box is not amazing, I would say that I might be transferring to premium, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll kind of see how the cards play. But I think that they did listen to feedback. I saw Lauren May Beauty in her most recent BoxyCharm video. She actually addressed that she had like her worst box last month and that they redeemed themselves this month, which I completely agree with. So yeah, that is the BoxyCharm unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you got this box, if you received the same items as me, if we received different items, and what you thought of your box. I would love to hear your feedback. And let me know of any other videos that you'd like to see in the future. I hope you are staying safe, staying sane, and staying sassy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!